मुल्क की जो माशी मौसम है वो बहुत अच्छा हम देख रहे हैं और करंट गवर्नमेंट में बरादर और पड़ोसी मुल्क बांग्लादेश ने पाकिस्तान से न सिर्फ 25,000 टन आला क्वालिटी की चीनी खरीदी है जो आइंदा माह कराची पोर्ट से चिटागोंग पहुंचेगी, बल्कि डायरेक्ट फ़्लाइट्स जो हैं वो भी स्टार्ट होने जा रही हैं। सिफारतकारों के मुताबिक कई अशरों बाद पाकिस्तानी चीनी की सनत इतनी बड़ी मकदार में अपनी पैदावार जो है वो बरादर मुल्क बांग्लादेश भिजवा रही है। और इससे पहले भी पाकिस्तान और बांग्लादेश के ट्रेड टाइज जो थे वो अच्छे थे, बीच में थोड़ा सा लाल पीरियड ज़रूर आया, लेकिन उसके बाद चीज़ें अब बेहतर होना शुरू हो गई हैं। तो इस सब पे हम बात कर लेते हैं। आज हमें ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं ढाका से अबू हुरैरा साहब। ही इज़ फॉर्मर वाइस चेयरमैन ऑफ ढाका चैम्बर ऑफ कॉमर्स। हम उनको वेलकम करते हैं। अस्सलाम वालेकुम अबू हुरैरा साहब।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम वरहमतुल्लाह।
उम्मीद करते हैं आप खैर खैरियत से होंगे, ठीक ठाक होंगे।
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, आई एम फाइन बाय द ग्रेस ऑफ ऑलमाइटी अल्लाह सुब्हानहू व तआला।
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू। तो अबू हुरैरा साहब, आफ्टर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम हम देख रहे हैं कि पाकिस्तान और बांग्लादेश के ट्रेड टाइज जो हैं वो इतने अच्छे हो रहे हैं, और अभी चीनी जो है 25,000 टन 25,000 टन चीनी जो है वो भी यहाँ से वहाँ जा रही है। सो डू यू थिंक पाकिस्तान और बांग्लादेश के जो ट्रेड टाइज हैं वो और मज़ीद बेहतर हो सकते हैं? कौन कौन से सेक्टर्स में दोनों मुल्क मिल के काम कर सकते हैं जिससे माशी तौर पर फ़ायदा हो?
वेल, मिस्टर सैयद Faisal Kareem, for inviting me in this audio program, BOL TV. I would like to thank to you for give me the opportunity to say a few words to our brotherly people of Pakistan and also the business community and your business talk show program. Actually, the business was not closed in the before one decades, but it was hampered in some cases because the goods comes from Pakistan was not easily cleared from the Chittagong port, and as a result, the importer who took a lot of botheration and also their high charges as well as damage, etc., etc. And if the people face problem, they are not interested to bring the goods from that very country. Now it has been changed. Now it is a new scenario, and I hope and believe that is called the non-tariff barriers now has been lifted up, and I hope that in the coming days you can do the relationship bilateral between two countries. There must be, I think, a win-win situation, and it should be a level playing field. Yes, Mr. Kareem.
Yeah. So you just mentioned the bilateral free trade agreement, and this is the ongoing negotiations between the two governments. How important it is? कितना ज़्यादा अहम होता है पाकिस्तान और बांग्लादेश के दरमियान ये तिजारत, क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली पाकिस्तान भी इससे फ़ायदा करेगा. What are those sectors in which both the countries can work together in economy?
Thank you. I think as a growing economy with a booming consumer base, Bangladesh is not just a potential market, but a market with significant growth potential for Pakistan goods also. Pakistan, on the other hand, is a competitive source of various raw material and intermediate goods for Bangladesh. The potential for growth for further underscored by the fact that Pakistan could be a growing market for Bangladesh. I have mentioned before that there must be a win-win situation. There are a lot of things you can import from us. There are a lot of things in Pakistan we can import from your country. But the important issue is that the quality of the goods must ensure, and there must be some sorts of, I think, observation into it, so that nobody can took any misadvantage in this, because the relationship between two countries must be in accordance with the terms and conditions of the importer and exporter. So, in my own experience, I think that Bangladesh ultimately import the raw cotton and some fabric, also some, I think, grocery item, and onion is also exported from Pakistan. But issue is that it comes from in a ref container, and ref container charge is very high. So we couldn't find out any other ways, and we means how we can import this food grain item, which have I think which Pakistan have, and we also import onion from India, from Myanmar, from Turkey, from Misr and Egypt, and many other countries. And few years back, we also from Holland also. So the Pakistan put forward in this regard and took the leather goods from our country, because I know that you manufacture the football for FIFA,
Yes.
and the leather is the very essential thing for a football. And our pharmaceutical industries is also very good. One thing is I must mention that there are two companies who are manufacturing the television. Television sets are being exported into the European Union, Poland, and Eastern Europe, basically. So I think what you manufacture good, wonderful, and quality, we will import, and which we manufacture here good and quality thing, I would like to request the Pakistani businessman to import from us. Yes, Mr.
Abu Razak, another thing, and this is very welcoming for both the people of the countries, and that is there are direct flights starting very soon. So how soon are they starting, and what benefit can the people of both the countries take from this opportunity? Because a lot of people in Pakistan have their ancestrally lineage in Bangladesh.
Yes, this is very important question you asked me. Actually, now people are going to Pakistan through UAE, Dubai, or Qatar. Even one of my friend, I asked him, how you go Karachi? He tell me, first I went to Bangkok and then from Bangkok to Karachi.
Wow.
So if the resumption of the Dhaka-Karachi direct flight may also open competitive air connectivity to the Middle East, further fueling this growth. Therefore, the exploration of trade cooperation between Bangladesh and Pakistan with a focus on removing under barriers should be considered seriously. And I think that you have, beside PIA, some other private airlines also.
Yes.
So if the direct flight could establish within a short time, the people are eager to know when. And somebody also asked me, do you know any sugar mill owner? I told him this, no, sir, I don't know any. But the people have eager to operate the direct flight, because direct flight is more cheaper than the via Dubai or any other hub. So I would like to request also from I asked a few days ago our additional secretary, who is in charge of Bangladesh Civil Aviation Authority, and that means the company who owner the Biman. Biman is our national flag carrier airlines. So he told me, yes, we are working in this regard and hope that it will resume very soon. And I also asked, you give Biman some facilities so that they go onwards from Dhaka, Karachi, and onwards other parts of the country, as well as we have given such facility 20 years back to Emirates. Emirates operate Dhaka, Dubai, Dhaka, and then Kuala Lumpur. Dhaka is not their hub, but they can some sorts of special permission granted from the government.
Right.
So if Pakistan could come in this regard, we are also give you a facility. So I again emphasize the bilateral and win-win situation must be there, so that a business can be done in
Okay. Thank you so much, Mr. Orera, for your time. It was a pleasure having you. तो ढाका चैम्बर ऑफ कॉमर्स नुमाइंदगी करने वाले अबू रहरा का कहना था कि पाकिस्तान के लिए बांग्लादेश एक बहुत ज़बरदस्त मार्केट हो सकती है। पाकिस्तान की क्रॉप से लेके पाकिस्तान के कॉटन तक, पाकिस्तान के रॉ मटेरियल से लेके पाकिस्तान के तैयार माल तक बांग्लादेश एक बहुत अच्छी मार्केट हो सकती है, और हम देख रहे हैं कि हालिया दिनों में इसमें बेहतरी भी बहुत ज़्यादा है।
वी आर प्रीटी मच श्योर कि इंशाल्लाह ताल्लुकात और बेहतरी की तरफ जाएंगे और कुछ अच्छा नतीजा जो है वो हम सभी को मिलेगा।
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।